Hey everyone. Um, as you might have noticed in the latest dash cam video, there's been some leaves that have blown up from the back window of my truck. So we've got them right up there. So I'm going to get them out because they annoy the heck out of me. So I'm going to use my Leatherman. I'm going to just reach up here, grab the leaf, and away we go. Oh, more leaves. Do those over there. I've owned this truck since it was new, about 17 miles on it when I bought it, and that was 20 years ago. And there's no telling how many leaves are behind the dash. I did change the heater core once, about 10 years ago. Maybe it was 7 years ago. But anyway, so I did change the heater core in it. And I cleaned the leaves out of it then, and out of the blower box, but I haven't cleaned it since then. So one of these days when my heater core plugs back up, I'll clean it out again. So anyways, I'll see you later.